Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 6 stocks in which Ashish Kacholia has increased his stake. So we'll get in and see which are those 6 stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the current share price is as of 3rd May 2019. First one on the list is DFM Foods. Its current share price is 265 rupees. The 52-week low is 178 whereas the high is 308. The industry PE is 58 whereas the company PE is 46. The PB is 13. The ROCE is 24% and the debt to equity is 0.91. The TTM EPS is 5. The promoter holding is 38%. 47 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 and 3 years it is negative, in which for 1 year it is given as a return of -7%, and for 3 years it is given as a return of -1.99%, but for 5 years it is positive and a good return, which is 34%. Next one on the list is NCIL Limited. Its current share price is 174 rupees. The 52-week low is 135 whereas the high is 237. The industry PE is 27 whereas the company PE is 22. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 12% and the debt to equity is 0.95. The TTM EPS is 7. The promoter holding is 68% and 38 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 5%, for 3 years 21%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 20%. Next one on the list is Mastic Limited. Its current share price is 470 rupees. The 52-week low is 365 whereas the high is 644. The industry PE is 24 whereas the company PE is 11. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 17% and the debt to equity is 0.13. The EPS is 42. Promoter holding is 45%. 60 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is -14%, but for 3 and 5 years it is given as a positive and a good return. For 3 years it is given as a return of 48%, for 5 years it is given as a return of 22%. Next one on the list is IFB Industries Limited. Its current share price is 863 rupees. The 52-week low is 706 whereas the high is 1420. The industry PE is 42 whereas the company PE is 39. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 22% whereas the debt to equity is 0.04. The TTM EPS is 21. The promoter holding is 74%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 85 crores. And returns, 1 year it is negative, which is 28%. For 3 and 5 years it is positive, which is given 36% for 3 years and 57% for 5 years. Next one on the list is Majesco Limited. Its current share price is 530 rupees. The 52-week low is 401 whereas the high is 572. The industry PE is 24 whereas the company PE is 28. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 2 whereas the debt to equity is 0.17. The TTM EPS is 18. The promoter holding is 39%. 164 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. This stock we have only 1 and 3 year return, and both the returns are in negative. For 1 year it is given as a return of -2%, and for 3 years it is given as a return of -1%. Next one and the last one on the list is NCIL Limited. Its current share price is 128 rupees. The 52-week low is 115 whereas the high is 226. The industry PE is 25 whereas the company PE is 10. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 26% and the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 12. The promoter holding is 33%. 84 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 40%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive and a very good return. For 3 years it is given as a return of 33%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 48%. So these are the stocks in which Ashish Kacholia has increased his stake in the ended March quarter. So if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. And if you all note, in all these 6 stocks, only one stock's company PE is more when compared to the industry PE, and all other 5 stocks company PE is less when compared to the industry PE. And in this ended March quarter, Ashish Kacholia had included 2 new stocks into his portfolio. If at all you all want to check out which are those stocks, I had made a video earlier and I will link it in the I button above, so that you all can go check out that also, and then start investing after doing your research. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.